Welcome to the Two Medicine Lake area.
We're taking the historical vessel Sinopah, named after the chief's daughter, to the other side of the lake. Built in 1926, this is the oldest boat in the fleet.
This area is considered to be the most sacred area in the park to the Blackfeet Nation and is one of the few that retains its original name. There are a couple of different stories about how it got its name, but the most common one we heard was that two tribes had planned to meet in the valley for a medicine ceremony. Unfortunately, they were not able to find each other and celebrated independently.
When you look out from the boat, there are three major mountains surrounding the lake. Sinopah Mountain, Lone Wolf, who is a chief and the father of Sinopah. That mountain sits behind Sinopah Mountain, and Rising Wolf, who was a French-Canadian fur trader who was sent to the area when he was 16, lived with the Blackfeet tribe, and later married Sinopah. Together, they represent the Blackfeet family tree. Good afternoon from Two Medicine Lake. We just took the boat ride across, and now we're gonna go on a hike.
Yes, we are going to Twin Falls. It is 2 miles out and back. And if you want to go to Upper Medicine Lake, it is 5 miles out and back. All right, let's go. And here we were enjoying the peacefulness of the trail when this happened. A black bear crossed right in front of us, and we could tell because it had a rump and not a hump. If it has a hump, it's a grizzly. If it has a rump, it's a black bear. I'll hang this somewhere else because clearly it's not working right there. All right. hike to the, what is it? To what falls? What's the name?
Good afternoon from To Medicine Lake. We just finished.
Third time lucky. Wait, let me fix that.
You want to start off?
Sure, what am I gonna say? Now we're gonna go back to our campground because we're both very tired. No, I don't like that. That sounds stupid. Let's do it again. And we are back from that incredible hike.
We hope you enjoyed it also.
And we did have a little bear encounter, just the replay again. Yep, that was a bear. So now we are...
Thank you. It was a black bear to be exact.
Yeah. We're in a line now, waiting for our boat to go back that way so that we can go back to our campground.
Yeah, so I think they're gonna wrap it up here unless anything else happens. And we'll see you tomorrow for the next flag.
We're going to Canada! Oh my God. Even their bathrooms were polite. They have picket fences, look!
I feel very out of place here. We're adding a country.